everybody, Phil out here at Woods Tree Farm, and I just got back from a work trip in Utah, and the views out there were incredible. And last week I just picked up a drone secondhand, and I was able to take that with me out to Utah and try it out. It's only my second time flying it, was out there in this canyon. I'll show you some of the footage. It was just spectacular footage, and I am still learning a lot about how to use that drone and how to take good pictures and good video with that drone. But even with very limited talent, you can see in the video, it was just spectacular. So looking forward to putting that drone to use out here on the farm. Today we're out here. We just been doing a little bit of maintenance. I've already done some mowing, and I'll spare you the monotony of showing you some more mowing videos here. But family and I are about to go on a little hike, and I figured I'd check the trail cams while I'm out here. I have set up one just over here next to my garden, and this one is set up to do video, I believe. So we will check out what each of the trail cameras are showing us around the property. Really interested to see, what all gets captured out here. So, all right, we'll load this up and have a quick look, and we'll see what it's doing. All right, well, I stand corrected. That game camera was not set on video, but I got a couple images of some deer. One during the day and one or two during the night. And look like pretty decent sized doe. There was a picture of a crow and several photos of me mowing. So nothing too exciting there. But I got two more that are out in the woods. We'll go see what's in there. So here we are walking on our trail. Got the family behind me. Say hello, family. So, yeah, if there was any wildlife out here, I think they scared them all off by now. But this little trail's about maybe half a mile at the most. It takes about 10-15 minutes to walk. And I got 2 cameras down here that we can check while we're going through here, see what all's been coming through the woods over the last couple of weeks. But you want to be? You want to be in the video?
Yes.
All right. Say hey, bud. And pretty nice day here in Central Virginia. The humidity's not too high. It's a good breeze blowing. Now that we're in the woods, it's nice and cool.
Yep.
So yeah, good day. Good day to be outside.
All the stuff on the farm.
Yeah.
All the stuff we've been doing.
So what do we do today?
We had some people come out to the farm.
Yeah. Some friends.
Yeah. And we also did Daddy did some mowing around the trees.
Did a lot of mowing. And what did you check on with Caroline?
We checked on the blackberries, and when we went back, we found a whole ton of blackberries.
Yeah. So do we have enough for a cobbler?
No.
So just enough for snacks then?
Yeah.
All right.
But Mommy said we could buy some at the store and make a cobbler.
All right. Oh, this tree came down on our trail. I'll have to come back with a chainsaw and clean that up. All right, watch out for this barbed wire here. Here's our next trail camera, facing right at us. Well, that trail camera only had one picture of a raccoon, and it was blurry. Pretty sure it's a raccoon. I'll post it up here. You guys let me know what you think. Yeah, so Hudson, do you see how the leaves are all worn? Do you see how the leaves are worn from right over this way, right to where we are, and then see all these kicked up leaves right here? Yeah. And then over there it's worn again, and then on the other side of the creek it's worn again. So this is an area where the animals come through and they cross.
Jump across the creek.
Yeah. So not over there where all the roots are hanging off the creek, but over there where it's nice and smooth, that's where they jump across. And it could be little stuff like raccoons and possum and foxes, but the deer could be using that too. So maybe next month, we'll leave that camera down there, stay for a little bit, but next month we'll move it over here to where we think they're crossing. What do you think of that?
Great idea.
Okay, and the next trail camera is somewhere within the next couple 100 feet. Wow, I had 3 different trees come down right here. They come down, come back with the chainsaw. And here's another one. And another one. So many trees. There's the camera. This might actually be the camera that's set to video. We'll find out. Okay. And there it is. Let's see what's on it.